Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fifth puzzle in today's newspaper in an additional with extra Sudokus. And what kind of a binary puzzle is this? It's an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row and in the column there's always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright. So let's get started. Double one, here and O, there and O. 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 Between two ones comes an O. Then I need to continue with the O, double O, here and one, there and one, double O. Here one, there one. Double one, here and O, there and O. And then I cannot continue. Why can I not continue is the question. We have here 3 O's. If I place an O here, then we have 3 ones. This is the 4th O. 4 and last O. So 3 ones in a row is not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Then 3. No. Let me think. 3 ones. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Yes. Double 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there and 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Then I think I need to compare. Can we compare? Yes. Look. This column and that column. Can you see this? This one. And that one. Empty box. Oh, no. I see here 1. It's not the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need 1, 2, 3, an O and a 1 I need. It's almost the same. So this is not correct. 101. Double 1, 1. Oh yes, this one, this row and that row. Empty box. O O empty box 1 1 O O O O 1 1 1 1. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. Double 1 here and O there, no. Double O here and 1 there, 1. And now to here. 10. Yes. This row and that row. We have a O O empty box 1 1 O O. Oh no, I've marked this wrong. It's not this, it's this row. O O 1 1 1 1 O O 1 1 empty box O O. Yes, I need to switch these two numbers. Yeah, so we have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. A lot of thinking. Yes, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And one Sudoku left. This should be a tectonic Sudoku. So I will see you later with the last Sudoku, a tectonic, aka Sudoku. See you later and bye bye for now.